Pemirsa, ri tatkala galah wengi penggerupukan ring desa adat Subagan memargi meriah. Penyiwan kerama nyaksiang pemargin parade ogoh-ogoh. Teresta sane kemargiang nyabran warsa inucap, wantah pinah ke nyanggra pengrauh nyepi, sane talar ngdautin manah wisatawan dura negara, sane kantun liburan ring Bali.
Sekancan soroh buta kala kaiterin catus pato desa kairing antuk sesolan fragmentari saning langunin para penonton. Kaluwihan tur keunikan ogoh-ogoh inucap ngedautin manah wisatawan inggian wenten sane medioang utawi moto nganggen ponsel ipun. Situnggil wisatawan Perancis Juliet merasa kelangan pisan ring pemargin tradisi ogoh-ogoh puniki. Manut Dani parade inucap nenten wantah nyobiang kreativitas keramani nanging taler makesami komunitas ring pemargin budaya sakral. Sarin pemargi sekadi inucap ngedautin antuk rauh malih ke Bali. Ipun sampun ping 6 wali ke Bali ritat kala rahina suci nyepi. Mawinan dresta sekadi puniki nenten sida kepanggih ring Eropa. Katanya nih, Dani merasa kelangan pisan ring sajoning kuentenan ogoh-ogoh puniki.
In Europe we don't have that. So even if people have a culture and religion, they don't do anything together like this. So I think it's really nice because it brings the people together. And I think we should have the same in Europe, but unfortunately we don't. So it's really nice to see that. It's really beautiful. Everybody's beautiful. All the outfits, all the statues, everything is amazing. And we're really happy to be able to witness that.
This is first time your experience Nyepi Day in Bali?
Me, no, I think it's maybe the 6th time, but for my boyfriend it's the first time.
Parade ogoh-ogoh ring desa adat Subagan nenten wantah anggen selah pemargi ring sajoning lestariang budaya nanging taler ngedautin manah wisatawan antuk pariwisata Bali. Melarapan gegiras masikian dresta sekadi puniki kabuatang pisan ring sajoning kauripan kerama sepisanan nyobiang tetamian budaya Bali ring Jagate. Agung Santika, Bali TV.